Struggling with uneven skin tone, you're not alone. The good news is it can be fixed. Come to the space. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today's video is a highly requested video. I'll be showing you a step-by-step nighttime skincare routine to fade your dark spots, even out your dark patches, your uneven skin tone, discolorations, hyperpigmentation. So if you have two colors on your face or you're battling with terrible dark spots, then this is a face routine for you. I'll be showing you exactly what to use, in what order, and why each product matters. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now, before we start applying different products to our face, the first step you need to ensure you follow is cleansing your face. See, this is where 70% of people mess up. If your skin looks uneven, patchy, dull, then you're not cleansing properly. During the day, your face collects a lot of sweat, oil, dust, and if you're someone that wears sunscreen or makeup during the day, then you need to ensure you remove all of that properly before going to bed, because your pores can easily get clogged, inflamed, and have breakouts. So to fix your uneven skin tone properly, you need to do what is called double cleansing. Now, how do you do that? Because I'm not talking about scrubbing your face or washing your face harshly with a face sponge or body sponge. Use it and be scrubbing your face. No, that is not what I'm talking about. You need to ensure you use gentle cleansers to wash your face at the end of the day. So the first step in your nighttime routine should be to use an oil-based cleanser, or you can even use micellar water, depending on how sensitive your skin is. And the one I usually recommend is this Centella Light Cleansing Oil, or you can get this Bioderma Purifying Micellar Water. These are two cleansers you should definitely incorporate into your routine, because they are going to help melt your sunscreen, your makeup, dissolve off all the dust, all the sweat, all the oils that have been accumulated on your skin during the day. So you want to melt all of that out using this oil-based cleanser or the Bioderma Micellar Water. If you're using this to cleanse your face, it's quite simple for you to use. So you can easily press the pump, take some amount on your palm, then use it to dissolve off your makeup, the oil, the sweat that have been accumulated during the day. And after like 30 seconds, you can take a little water and emulsify the whole thing. It will turn milky, like white. You can just rinse it off with water and then go in with your next product, which is to use a water-based cleanser. Some of my favorite water-based cleansers that I would recommend you use if you're battling with uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, dull skin, is this CeraVe face cleanser, or you can get the La Roche-Posay face cleanser wash. You want to ensure you get a cleanser based on your skin type. So if you have a dry skin, you should get the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. If your face is oily or combination, you can use the foaming cleanser. Whereas if you're someone with a sensitive skin, you might as well opt in for the hydrating cleanser. Now, for your water-based cleanser, immediately you're done rinsing off your oil-based cleanser, you want to take a little amount of this after wetting your face and then lather it on your palm and use it to wash your face for 60 seconds. Do not use face sponge or hard scrub or whatever on your face. Use your fingers. Now, here is the part most people do not realize. Uneven skin tone is not a pigment issue, it's a skin barrier issue. Hear me out. If your skin barrier is irritated, your face will probably stay dark. Your dark spots, hyperpigmentation will find it hard to clear. They will constantly remain dark. But when you ensure that your face is properly cleansed, then your dark spots, uneven skin tone will clear out. So using the wrong face cleanser for your skin type is one way that can easily damage your skin barrier. So you want to ensure you're using the right cleanser for your face, because this is actually the first step that determines or can spoil every other step in your routine. Because when you're not cleansing your face properly with the right product, you might as well just know that you have messed up your whole routine. So if your skin have not been glowing, or maybe your skincare products have not been working, then I need you to understand that it's not your product. Your products are probably not getting into your skin because you're not cleansing properly. Now, since we have emphasized on this, let's move into the treatment routine proper. The next step is to go in with a good hydrating toner. This should be your second step after you're done cleansing your face. Some of my favorite hydrating toners should be this from rice milk toner, the numbers-in glow boosting toner, or this aqua toner. Using any of these toners in your routine is going to ensure you replenish back moisture into your skin. See, if no one have told you this, you better hear it from me. Uneven skin tone tends to fade faster when your skin is properly hydrated. So if you want your uneven skin to clear out, girl, you need to start loading it with moisture loving ingredients. And that's why I really love using good hydrating toners in my routine, because it's going to help ensure you lock back in moisture into your skin once you're done cleansing. Now, if you can still afford to go in with a face essence for hydration, then you can get the Slim Musin face essence, because it's going to help you maintain that hydrated, plump looking skin. But if you cannot afford to use facial essence, you can easily layer your toner 2 or 3 times in your routine before going in with your next product. Now, the third step in your routine is using a treatment serum. Honestly, this is where the magic happens, because this is the actual step that is going to help you fade your dark spots and even out your discolorations and uneven skin tone. You only need one brightening or active serum in your nighttime routine to be able to fade your uneven skin tone, discolorations, dark spots, and even out your skin. Like I always advise, you need to pick a serum based on your skin type. In as much as you're battling with hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and uneven skin tone, I need you to understand that your skin type needs to be considered when picking a face serum. Since we are treating uneven skin tone in particular, there are so many serums that can target your uneven skin tone. In fact, I have 1,001 of them that can be able to target your uneven skin tone. Now, depending on your skin type, the active ingredients you need to ensure you have in your routine or as a serum is your vitamin C, your niacinamide, azelaic acid, tretinoin, alpha-arbutin, tranexamic acid. These are ingredients that can tackle your uneven skin tone. They can basically clear it out if you get the right product. Now, the ordinary alpha-arbutin is one potent serum that can work for all skin types. It can tackle your uneven skin tone in a matter of weeks, okay? And azelaic acid is also nice, although this particular one, you have to go lower if you have a sensitive skin, the 10% other than 20% azelaic acid. It will be effective. You can also get tranexamic acid serums to fade your pigmentation. It works very potent as well. Now, your niacinamide serums is also perfect, especially for oily skin type that is battling with uneven skin tone. You can pair your niacinamide serum together with alpha arbutin serum, and they will do the job. Like, I love the Axis Wine niacinamide serum, and when you pair it together with the ordinary alpha arbutin serum, both of them will do wonders for your uneven skin tone. Now, you can also use azelaic acid in the morning and use an alpha-arbutin serum at night. It works wonders. So at night, I would definitely recommend using like alpha-arbutin, tranexamic acid. All of the serums would help do wonders for your skin. Next step in this routine would be to moisturize your face. I know you've heard this countless times. You need to ensure you're using a hydrating face moisturizer other than a lightening, brightening, whitening face cream in your nighttime routine. This is one step that is going to help maintain your skin barrier. I always recommend you use a face moisturizer when using your treatment products at night. So you need to ensure you're using hydrating moisturizers like this Nivea Soft Moisturizer or the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer or even Simple Moisturizer. This is going to help you ensure that your skin barrier repairs itself while you sleep. Now, for your weekly treatment or the secret tip in this routine is to use a tretinoin cream or tretinoin gel in 0.1%. This is one step in your nighttime routine that is going to help improve your uneven skin tone. Honestly, if you start incorporating tretinoin cream or gel in your nighttime routine one or twice weekly, you're going to see so much improvement on your skin. All you have to do is to apply this immediately you're done applying your face moisturizer. And if you're someone using vitamin C for your uneven skin tone, please do not use it the same night you're using this. Okay, you can use this with your niacinamide serum, you can use it together with your alpha arbutin serum, but do not pair it together with a vitamin C serum or an exfoliating ingredient like lactic acid or your exfoliating products like the ordinary glycolic acid, because it will irritate your skin. So you want to ensure you incorporate this like on nights that you're not using any of these ingredients I just mentioned. Immediately you're done slathering on your moisturizer, give it some time to deeply penetrate into your skin. In fact, allow it to dry before you take like a pea-sized amount of this. I actually have a full video on how to use your tretinoid gel or cream in your nighttime routine. So you might as well go check out that video and see how to properly use it if you've not watched it. Immediately you're done applying your tretinoid gel, another thing you want to do for yourself is to layer it with an occlusive. Go in with this Vaseline petroleum jelly. Take a pea-sized amount of this and apply it all over your face and your neck. You're definitely going to see how softer your skin is going to look. When you wake up the next day, your skin will definitely feel like a baby skin. This is a treatment routine I have used on my own. And guys, I'm not capping. Believe me when I say that this routine is going to 100% work for you. Within the first 2 weeks, you're going to see so much improvement. Another weekly treatment step you don't want to skip is exfoliating your face. Now, when it comes to your face exfoliation, you want to do that like once or twice a week, because your tretinoid gel or cream actually helps to renew and gently exfoliate your skin. So you don't want to be over exfoliating, because over exfoliating can actually cause peeling or make irritations occur on your face. Products I would recommend you use is Wish Trend Mandelic Acid, suitable for all skin types, and even a sensitive skin can use the Wish Trend Mandelic Acid, or you can get the ordinary mandelic acid as well. They are great and gentle exfoliants. Now, for those of you that will come with the ordinary glycolic acid, yes, you can use the ordinary glycolic acid, PC glycolic toner. Those are good exfoliants as well, but you want to stick to using them on nights you're not using your tretinoin, like I said. Okay, in order for you to avoid irritating your face, I mapped out like a daily calendar for you on how to go about treating your uneven skin tone. Now, Tuesdays and Fridays should be your exfoliating night. Wednesdays and Sundays should be your tretinoin night. And other nights like Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, regular products. For your morning routine, you want to keep it simple. Just use like a regular face wash like you use that night. Apply your face toner as well. Go in with a face serum like vitamin C serum during the day or azelaic acid during the day. This is exactly how to treat your uneven skin tone. So if you want to have a smooth, spotless, beautiful, glowing face, follow this routine to the T and you're going to see so much improvement. Like This is something I usually charge clients money for. I decided to bring it on here and share with you guys. Okay, so try out this routine, follow it to the T, and you will definitely see results within the first 2 weeks or 3 weeks of being consistent with this routine. You will definitely be popping. Your uneven skin tone is going to brighten up and clear out. I hope this was very helpful. If you enjoyed watching this or you learned a thing or two from today's video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye.